Lisa, I'm going to hand them tongue. Some hours here and so I am thankful for all of you. And when you're not going to buy no here, Madam Bo, when you're going to let a brag or cash. Really, you're going to put out myself in the Agabu. I engage and initiate growth too much because my baby can went a long way to go. It was very mixture of so many things, but I heard it. Hearing die, Bibi, my brother. So I want to appreciate the giver of children. Each time I look at them, I see myself as a fulfilled father. Their future is beautifully and well made.
Yes, sir.
Because I look up to them. They improve by the day. Everything is not, it's turning around for my good. For our good either.
Yes, sir.
When I say mine, somebody is attached to me. I'm not alone. I have a strong pillar. Who sometimes, the wrong day to the way I shake. Sometimes, I am.
What about talking?
I told you, hello. So next day I had them in Mesamachuku and Kosi Sochuku. We named him Mesamachuku because of when we begot him.
Right on that day.
The day we find out that my wife was pregnant. I am good now. English I would not go kill myself for another man language. So anyway, why is speaker? You that knows it, it is spoken to you. Alright, so there's a music we went to dance that very day. And the title of that album was Mesoma. One doctor, medical doctor, really that time. After dancing her music, we never know she was pregnant. And she danced like she never did. Until we traveled home for that Christmas. That was when we found out that she was pregnant. And we said, if he is a boy, it's going to be Mesoma. Yes. And if he is a girl, we're still going to name him Mesoma. Name her, sorry. Mesoma Chuku. Because God really favored us. So Mesoma, too much. They came at the right time. I said, stop crying. Something you have been longing for. You're going to promote you. Abraham.
Okay, so it's somewhere.
Give them more much na birthday. Oh,
you know.
I saw how much you put it. Arthritis.
I'm busy.
I have said excitement to you. You tie. Oh, I am so recognized as my brother. My wife is diabolical. I'm married a notorious criminal woman.